In this video, we will show you how to replace your corner marker lamp on this 2003 to 2011 Mercury Grand Marquis. As you can tell, the marker lamp is right out in the open on the front of your vehicle. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. To gain access, let's go ahead and remove this plastic panel that comes across the front under the hood. To do that, you'll find that you have 3 of these push clips. For each of them, all you have to do is turn it counterclockwise and lift it up and out. There should be one in the center, right here, and then there's one at the far end. Once you've done that, go ahead and remove this from the vehicle. To start removing the assembly, open your hood and make your way behind this area. Down in here, you're going to find that you have 2 11mm mounting nuts. Remove the pair. Use my magnet to grab onto that. There's one. At this point, you can grab onto that lamp assembly, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the vehicle. Now you would want to follow your wiring to the electrical connector area. We'll make our way to the mounting point for it. Use a small prying device, such as a trim tool, and pop it out of place. Continue on to dismounting this. Give it a quick check for corrosion. Now over at the bench, we're going to start transferring things over from the original lamp assembly to our brand new one. Let's have a look from the back side. Turn them both around. The first thing we'll do is come right over to our electrical connector. We're going to remove this and swap it over to the new electrical connector. To do this, we'll use a small flathead screwdriver, carefully get in between this area and gently pry it up. Once you've done that, you can slide this out of position. Give that a quick inspection and transfer it over to the new lamp assembly. Listen for a click, make sure it's secure. Now we can start transferring over our bulbs. Hold on to the lamp assembly, grab each of your bulb sockets and turn them counterclockwise to remove the bulb from the assembly. Once it's out of there, you want to give it a quick inspection. Make sure you can see the filament inside there. Double check to make sure it doesn't look like it's broken. You also want to make sure the bulb doesn't look like it's discolored. Assuming that looks good, go ahead and grab onto that bulb, give it a little wiggle, and pull it away from the bulb socket. A quick check for corrosion on the contact points, and then you can swap it over. We'll come right over to this one, give it a little twist counterclockwise, and put it into the brand new bulb socket. Once you're sure it's secured in place, continue on to putting it into the lamp assembly, and then do the exact same thing to the other bulb. For this one, we'll come right over to the wiring. We want to lift this up and out of position. Use my small screwdriver for that. Now we can grab onto that bulb socket and give it a little twist counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. You'll notice that the amber bulb has a double filament, so you want to check both of those. Pop that off of there. Look at the contact points for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, go ahead and install that into the new assembly as well. Alright, let's get over to the vehicle. Back over at the vehicle, let's continue on with our electrical connector. Press that in, listen for a click. Secure it to the body of the vehicle. Set this into position and start in both of your 11mm mounting nuts. Now we'll carefully start each of our nuts on there. Once they're started, we can snug them up. All right, let's put on our plastic panel here. We'll start in the center. Now we'll carefully put each side down into place as well. Once it's in place, continue on with each of your push clips. There should be one in the center. Get our last one on here. Okay friends, we showed you how to install one side of your corner lamp assemblies. The process will be the exact same thing for either side of the vehicle. At this point, once it's all together, go ahead and put the key in the on position and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.